Respiratory allergies, especially cold and cough, are becoming household issues today. And when it strikes a pregnant woman, it is really very bothersome for her. Medications are also restricted. She can't continue taking medications like a normal person. So we have to resort to some home remedies. One of the best remedies which can be made very easily at home is taking some fresh tulsi leaves, fresh mint leaves, about 15-20 mint leaves, fresh ginger, a piece of fresh turmeric. You can grind it in the mixie by making very small pieces. Then you will have to strain the juice. After straining the juice, you add a half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of honey according to your requirement and stir it very well. This is the final product which you consume half an hour before having your meals, morning and evening to begin with, and then you can make it once a day.